Hi, I'm Michael Worthington.
And my name is Roman Jaster. Welcome to the UI UX specialization developed by the California Institute of the Arts on the Coursera platform. User interface and user experience design is a high-demand field. The skills and knowledge you will learn in this specialization are applicable to a wide variety of careers, from marketing to web design to human-computer interaction. This specialization offers practical, skill-based instruction that is centered around a visual communications perspective, rather than one focused on marketing or programming.
This specialization will provide you with a palette of specific skills and will show you how to combine those individual chunks of knowledge into the multifaceted practice of UI UX design. These courses will give you a roadmap to walk you through all the stages in the process of developing UI UX, from ideation to visualization to producing a working prototype. The broad base of knowledge offered in these classes can be applied to interface design for multiple platforms and for different screen sizes.
Through this specialization, you'll experience the UI UX development process from start to finish through a series of projects, both large and small, visual and non-visual.
I'll be leading you through the first two courses, where we'll focus on the fundamental skills and knowledge of UI and UX design. We'll define what a user interface is and look at various examples, discover how content is organized and structured on screen, and define what role the designer plays in creating and shaping the user's experience. You'll have the opportunity to design your own static interface and create a clickable mock-up for an app of your own design.
In the third and fourth courses, you'll further hone your UX skill set by delving into user research and understanding your target audience, setting goals and defining strategy, establishing scope and structure, and finally developing a compelling look and feel. You'll apply these skills to a single large-scale project, developing a comprehensive plan for a responsive website. We'll also take a look at the relationship between design and programming, and I invited a few guests, practicing designers who are going to share tips and insights about user experience design.
When combined, these four courses offer a skill set that will allow you to work as a UI UX designer, whether that's developing your own personal website or apps, or working with a group of people in a larger commercial context. You can apply these skills in a range of different ways.
No matter your personal or professional goals, we think you'll find this specialization to be an informative and rewarding learning experience.